Hi, and welcome to Murata Tech Talk. In this Tech Talk episode, we'll discuss the new high-performance Murata SCL3400 Inclinometer. My name is Suvi, and I'm here with our product engineer, Heino.
Hi.
So Heino, as we all know, the precise angle detection is used more and more in different applications, such as various industrial measurement devices, following the overall digitalization of the construction industry.
Yeah, the wide operating environments we have seen set strict requirements for the performance of the sensor. The smallest angles must be detected and the same performance should be kept for longer periods. And as the use locations can be quite isolated, the same stability must be kept for longer periods. And our previous analog inclinometers have proven their capabilities in various applications around the globe. And with this new product, we want to push these limits even further.
How does the Murata SCL3400 enable these new possibilities?
For example, structural health monitoring is an application area where movements of bridges, buildings, and land masses is measured. High stability and reliability is important as the time frames are quite long and temperatures may vary. The user expects that the sensor output shows what it should show. Low drift over lifetime and temperature range is key for successful measurement. It enables minimum handling after installation and reduces the recalibration needs. And these good performances are also beneficial for other industrial leveling applications.
What is the technology that provides the sensor its performance?
The high performance of the SCL3400 is achieved by using double differential calculation of the accelerations. Possible internal offsets are summed to zero. With this, the angle information is reliable and the possible non-ideal behaviors are reduced.
What level of performance can this sensor achieve?
The user can choose between two measurement modes, depending on the environment and the wanted performance level. The drift over its lifetime and temperature range is around 0.1 degrees. So as the temperature changes drastically during the day, the sensor keeps its accuracy.
When comparing to the other inclinometers in the market, what are the strengths of this sensor?
For this price range, the sensor has best-in-class stability over its lifetime and temperature range. Additionally, the SCL3400 is pin-compatible with our current inclinometers, so the user can choose to upgrade or even combine the sensors for better performance.
So now everybody wants to know where and when are these available?
The sensors are designed and manufactured here in Murata, Finland's Vantaa factory. Samples are already available and mass production starts in June 2022.
Great. Thank you very much, or kiitos, as we say it in Finnish language, for this very interesting discussion.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. For more information, click the links below this video.